Hi, I'm Maria. On this channel, we recreate your favorite indulgences using better ingredients so that you can enjoy them as part of a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Today, we're gonna go a little old school and make a flavor that I think many of you might enjoy. It's called Rum Raisin. This is a fairly simple recipe to make. It starts with a vanilla base, and then all we're going to add to it are some rum-soaked raisins. Before assembling the base, you'll want to soak 3/4 of a cup of raisins. And I'm also using this Costa Rican rum. It's Ron Centenario. My dad would be very proud of me. We're using 3 tablespoons of this to soak the raisins. You want them to get nice and plump before we add them to the base. These have been soaking for several hours. As you can see, they're nice and plump. I'll be using my standard vanilla base, but with a few minor modifications to enhance the flavor of the rum raisin flavor. We'll begin with 1 cup of half and half. If you're outside of the United States and do not have access to half and half, it is simply half cream, half milk. So you can substitute with equal parts milk and cream. Our next ingredient is heavy whipping cream. We'll use 2 cups. That had a clump in it. I'll be using a half a cup of allulose blend. 3 tablespoons of non-fat milk powder. 1 ounce of softened cream cheese. 1 tablespoon of rum. 1 tablespoon of vodka. Now you might be wondering, why not just put 2 tablespoons of rum since this is rum raisin? The rum will be to add the flavor, but the vodka will help with lowering that freezing point, so it'll help with the scoopability. Plus, we don't want to overpower the ice cream base with too much rum. 1 teaspoon vanilla, a pinch of salt, and my secret ingredient, this is 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. Now, cinnamon is not a traditional ingredient in rum raisin. It's just an enhancement that I want to add to it. I like to make my ice creams just a little bit more rich. Blend this well. Ensure that everything is incorporated and nice and smooth before we put this in the fridge to cool down for at least an hour before we churn it.
Well, look who's here.
Look who's here, Mr. Taster.
I came to taste.
That's beautiful. Let's see. That good?
I tell you. You got a knack for this, honey. You got a real knack.
Okay,
that is
my
rum
turn.
raisin.
Is it?
You
Well,
me.
but there's no raisins in there yet.
Oh, well, that's true. Oops.
Let's see. Let's see.
Well, it tastes good without it. I taste some little rum.
Ooh. Ooh, that's good.
That's going to be even better.
Oh, my dad's going to love this.
Yeah.
He's coming over tonight. He's going to want some of this. Okay, we're on. Now that the base is cooled down, we're just going to pour it into our ice cream attachment. All right. Let's see how this looks. Looks good. It's a little warm here today, so it takes a little bit longer for it to get to soft serve consistency. I think this is one of those classic flavors that just never grows old. And it's such a simple recipe. This could probably take maybe 30 minutes from beginning to end. Taste test.
Hold on. Let me let me get out from behind the camera here. I want to taste some of this.
All right.
See if it lives up to what I remember. I haven't had this probably since I was a kid.
Really? Can't remember the last time I had any. Is it good?
That is Rum Raisin.
Let's see.
I had the same reaction every time. It's delicious.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's a classic.
Yep. It's a keeper. This one's going in the book.
Next, I want black walnut.
Oh my goodness. Okay. This is actually a requested flavor from one of our friends and neighbors, Tempo. This one's for you. Oh, that's really good. Do you taste the cinnamon?
I do, and it's really good.
It's just a hint. If you're curious about how different sugars work in ice cream, I've created a free downloadable guide. Just use the QR code on the screen. Is there a classic old school flavor that you love? Let us know in the comments.